Wanting your kids to embrace healthy eating can feel like a battle. Get the Food, Body and Nutrition DIY Activity Kit, an innovative hands on way for kids to learn about their bodies, food, and nutrition, all while having a blast. This toy is designed to spark curiosity and turn learning about healthy habits into a fun adventure. Through this fun and engaging card game, kids will make healthier food choices by learning about the base ingredients in their food they love. It's a playful way to teach the value of nutritious options, all while they're having fun. Watch as your child builds their very own 3D model of the human body. It's the perfect way to understand how our amazing insides work. And when they track how food travels through the digestive system using glycerin and colorful food dyes, they will be fascinated by the journey their food takes. This human body puzzle game gives them a chance to identify different body types and understand how food affects them. With these quiz sheets that test their knowledge, every play session is an opportunity to learn something new about themselves and the world of healthy eating. With the Food, Body and Nutrition DIY Activity Kit, kids don't just learn about food and nutrition, they experience it. They will gain a deeper understanding of how their bodies work, how food nourishes them, and how to make healthier choices that will last a lifetime. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give the gift of health, fun, and learning with the Food, Body, and Nutrition DIY Activity Kit and watch your little ones grow into mindful and happy eaters. Ready to make healthy eating fun?